Good morning, dear students. I hope all of you are doing well at your home and enjoying rain, aren't you? Hmm. We should enjoy every season, whether it is summer, whether it is winter, or whether it is monsoon. Okay, can I ask you one question, please? Thank you. Hmm. Have you ever seen poetry? Poetry. Yes, you must have seen poetry in TV. It is generally found in snowy areas where so much snow occurs, like in Uttarakhand or in Himachal Pradesh. Now, you must have observed that its leaves look like needle. Can you tell me why? Think? Yes, because needle-like leaves do not shred in heavy rainfall, heavy snowfall, or even in strong wind. That's why it can survive in such hard circumstances. Okay, next question for you. I know it's more than one question. Uh, have you ever seen magician? You must have seen magician in magic shows. And what does he do? He does magic. Yes. So there is a story that we are going to read and enjoy. And the story is about a magician and a fir tree. The magician grants 4 wishes to fir tree. Then what happens next? Let's read the story. For that, I'm going to share my screen. I hope the screen is visible to you. The name of the story is The Little Fir Tree. Shetty, the magician, was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. You can see there is a fir tree that is looking very lovely. Hmm. Soon the rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he did not get wet. Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them, said the magician. The sad fir tree had leaves like needles and no birds ever made their nests on it. So it said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. Next morning, its wish was granted. So soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I wish I had gold leaves so that goats do not eat gold leaves. When the little fir tree woke up the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. How happy I am, it said. A man came along and stole the gold leaves. I wish I had glass leaves instead. Man, do not steal glass leaves. The next day, its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. How happy I am, it said. At night, the wind blew. All the glass leaves broke. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I like my old needle-like leaves best, for goats do not eat them. No man can steal them. The wind will do them no harm. The tree went to sleep. When it woke up the next morning, it had all its needle back again. Oh, I never was so happy, said the little fir tree. So this was the story. I hope all of you enjoyed it. What have you learned from the story? We should be happy with what we have and what we are. We should not compare us with others. Okay. Now let's look at some new words. Uh, for that, I'm going to share my screen again. Hmm. So, first word is Pretty. Pretty. What is the meaning of pretty? Yes, pretty means beautiful, lovely. I have a pretty red dress. Reward. Reward is to give something to someone in return of favor or good work. To give something to someone in return of favor or good work. Like the magician rewarded for wishes to fir tree because the fir tree provided shelter. Grant. Grant means give. Grant means give. Okay. So these were the new words. Now look at some question answers. So first question is on your screen. Who was Shetty? Who was Shetty? Options are a farmer, a magician, and a fisherman. What can be the right answer? Yes, Shetty was magician. Shetty was a magician. Now, second question. The fir tree was sad. Why? Because it had yellow-like leaves, because it had needle-like leaves, or because it was very short. Why the fir tree was sad? Because it had needle-like leaves. Yes, your answer is correct. Now, third question. The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves because the goats came and ate them up. A man stole them or the gold leaves broke. Why was the fir tree not happy with gold leaves? What happened to the gold leaves? Yes, a man came and stole them. So right answer is B. A man stole them. And last question. Who ate the green leaves of the little fir tree? Who ate the green leaves? A cow, a goat, or a cat? Who was in the story who ate the green leaves of the fir tree? Yes, right option is a goat. Okay, so we got all our answers correct. Hmm. Now, story, you saw a fir tree and you have saw so many trees around you, haven't you? Okay, can you label the different parts of the tree? Let's do it. So There is a plant you can see. So what is this? This. Yes, these are the roots. These are the roots of a tree. And what is this? This is a stem. This is a stem, or in large trees you can see say this trunk. What is the function of roots? Roots absorbs water and other nutrients from the earth. And stem, what is the function of stem? It provides support to the tree, and it transport water from roots to other parts of the tree. Okay, now what are these? Yes, these are the kitchen of the tree. Why did I say kitchen? First, I will name them. These are leaves. Why are the leaves a kitchen of the tree? Because it makes food for the tree through the process of photosynthesis. Can you tell me what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is to make food in the presence of sunlight. Okay. So the green tree has the quality to make food in the uh, presence of sunlight. The presence of sunlight. And what is the quality that makes them able to make food? The quality is their green color. Green colors, and the green color of the leaves is due to chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Okay. And they get water from the roots. One more thing that they need to make food, that is air. And from air, they absorb carbon dioxide. Okay. So in the presence of sunlight, they takes carbon dioxide from air, water from the earth, and they have already chlorophyll. So in the presence of all these things, they make food for the rest of the tree, and it get transported to each part of the tree with the help of stem. So this is the process of photosynthesis. Now, what is this? This is fruit. Yes, you are correct. And what is this? Yes, you have seen it many times. These are lovely flowers. These are flowers. So there are mainly 5 parts of a tree: roots, stems, leaves, fruits, and flowers. Okay, good. Now, in the story, the fir tree provided shelter to the magician. Can you tell me what are the benefits of trees apart from providing shelter? Yes, these provides us oxygen. These provide us oxygen. That's how we breathe, because we need oxygen to breathe. And uh, the tree provides us furniture, wood, and so many fruits and vegetables. uh, Trees provide shelter to birds and wild animals. Even they bring rain. So there are so many benefits of a tree. So we should plant trees. We should not cut the trees. Okay, so this was the story. I hope all of you enjoyed it, and let's call it a day. Goodbye. Take care.